Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang po na malaman kasi sinasabi ko ito. Kasi Mayor Jed Patrick Mabilog, because of his fear of his life, umalis siya after attending a summit in Japan because he was advised not to come home. Kasi alam naman natin na very vocal ang dating presidente na si Mayor Jed Mabilog na yan. Pilit na ina-accuse na protektor ng droga. Although, and second Kalahi Festival ng Bulwagang Kalahi ng Tarlac, na sinabi niya na pag bumalik si Mayor Jed, papatayin ko yan kasi drug protector yan. But up until now, wala kaming may nakita or listahan from PDEA or PNP na si Jed sangkot sa illegal drug trade or protector. Ang gusto ko lang malaman dito, Mr. Chair, we need to give due recognition or kailangan natin, kumbaga, mayor nga namin, most outstanding mayor, tulad ng iba na hindi nabigyan ng hustisya. Mr. Chair, you know what? Siguro kung gustuhin man ng Quad Commission na ito, I might be able to convince Mayor Jed na umuwi so that we can also ask for his statement anong nangyari sa kanya. To shed light obligation now as the first congresswoman of the Lone District of Iloilo City to clear the label given by the former president to our city in 2017 as the most shabalized city.
But we know at the start what we planted the intrigues there. And just as, well, not really, I've learned a lot during my prosecution days. We planted evidence. We arrested persons, but we released them. But telling him that it was this person who squealed on him. And then we, when he goes out but killing, then we said that it was this fellow who really did it, who did you in. We first planted the intrigues so that we would know where they were from where they came from.